Hello dear students. Today we are going to do exercises of the starting point. Exercise A. Choose the correct answers to complete these sentences. Number 1. On finishing 6th, Milkha Singh was overwhelmed with joy by options are the promise of a sporting career, all the cheering from friends and strangers alike, the happiness that he was bringing his family. And the correct one is B. Number 2. Milkha Singh was surprised that he was chosen to run the 400-meter event because options are he had never before run a 400-meter race, he had not completed his training, he did not win the cross-country race. And the correct one is number A. Third one. The Eureka moment helped him. Options are decide that he wanted to run for India and make his country proud, plan better for the Olympics, decide to join the sports academy. And the correct one is A. Number 4. Milkha Singh was not disheartened that he came fourth in the 400-meter event because options are he had run the race with India's best athletes, he had ensured his place on the 4x400 relay team. There is no place for disappointment in sports, and the option A is the correct answer. Fifth one, Milkha Singh practiced every night because options are he was not allowed to practice during the day, he wanted to be a champion in the 400-meter race, he was forced to do so by his regiment leader. Answer is B. So by this we have finished this exercise. We have exercise A. Complete the sentences with the correct adverbs from the box. Use the question clues to help you. In this exercise we have to fill adverbs. First of all, we need to understand what are adverbs. Adverbs are the words which give us more information about the verbs. So here in your book, on page number 25, just above this exercise, you have been given a chart. With the help of that chart, you can easily understand the kinds of adverbs. We have several kinds mentioned here: manner, time, place, frequency, purpose, condition, reason, degree. And their functions are also described, even their examples are also given to you. With the help of that, you can easily make out. Let's come to the exercise. First one, he knew it would be difficult for Tarun, face the challenge boldly. Now, this word boldly, they have highlighted, means it was blank earlier, but they have given you this example, how you can do it. How did Tarun face the challenge? The answer would be boldly. Come to the second one. The police dog at the crime scene raced away into the woods. Then it stopped dash in the middle of dash. Now the clue is, how did the police dog stop? The answer would be, in the first blank you will fill suddenly. And where did it stop? In the second blank you will fill nowhere. Third one. Our school was closed after the heavy rains. It was flooded. In the blank we are going to fill, why did the school close? This is your clue. Because it was flooded. So because will be there in your blank. Fourth one. We love the outdoors. We go for a walk dash morning. Clue is, how often do they go for a walk? It is every morning. Every will be there in the blank. Fifth one, the moment they found that the bag was missing, they searched dash for it. Clue is, where did they search for the bag? Answer is everywhere. Sixth one, it is dash common to see people talking on their phone as they walk on the streets. Clue is, to what extent do we find people using their phone? Answer is extremely. So by this exercise is over. Here we have exercise B. For doing your exercise B, you need to understand adverbs position. In your book, 3 examples are given. We will understand them one by one. The first example says, I was given a perfectly balanced diet. It explains that adverb perfectly is linked to the adjective balanced. And what are adjectives? Adjective is a word that tells you more about a noun. In this example, it explains that adverb which modifies an adjective is always placed before the adjective. Your second example is, he stared at me, then nodded and walked away briskly. In the second example, adverb briskly is linked to the verb walked. In such type of sentences, adverb can be placed at the end of it, can be placed before the verb, or it can be placed before the verb. In example 3, fortunately, I met Brigadier Vohra at the time when I really needed to practice a lot. So, here, fortunately is adverb and it is linked to the whole of the sentence. In this case, adverb can be placed at the beginning of, or it can be placed at the end of the sentence, or it can be placed before the verb. For example, he stared at me, then nodded and briskly walked away. Here they have placed it before the verb. Now let's solve the exercise. Place the adverbs in brackets in appropriate places within the sentences. There may be more than one correct position for some of them. Try and identify the kinds of adverbs. First one is already done for you. Let's see the second one. Neha could captivate people with her storytelling. And in the bracket you have the verb always. Now this word always you have to put somewhere in the sentence so that you may get the correct position of it. So we will do, Neha could always captivate people with her storytelling. Everything will be same. Students, only just you need to add this word always in the position where I have mentioned. And you also have to identify the kind of adverb. This is your adverb of frequency. Third one, the Shuklas moved house. In the bracket, we have last Sunday. The answer would be, the Shuklas moved house last Sunday. Then we will put full stop. And this is adverb of time. Fourth one, we didn't get any rest during the training program, and the word is really. And we will insert this word really. We didn't really get any rest during the training program, and it is adverb of degree. Fifth one, I threw the ball of paper but missed the waste paper basket. Here we have 2 words, carefully and narrowly. Let's do it. I threw the ball of paper carefully but missed the waste paper basket narrowly. Here the word carefully is your adverb of manner and narrowly is your adverb of degree. Here we have, in this exercise we are going to learn about phrasal verbs, and here it says that the words are combination of verb and the word of. Already of is printed in the printed sentences. Only you need to add the verbs which are already given you as clue in your exercise A. Let's start. Complete the sentences in each set with the correct word from the box. You may have to change the form of the word in some cases. And the clues are call, shut, rub, kick, put. Let's start from the first. First one. Why has the picnic been dash off until next week? B. Because of bad weather. Now the answer would be put off. Second one. Why did the rescue team dash off the search? Because it was dark and they couldn't see anything. Call will be suitable for this statement. Third one. Why is the team so confident? It's because of their captain. His confidence has dash off on them. Rubbed will be the answer here. Fourth one. When is the match scheduled to dash off? The answer would be kick off. Fifth one. Why is there no water supply in the taps? Because the water supply has been dashed off as a pipe has to be repaired. Answer would be shut. Let's come to another exercise. Here we have exercise B. Complete these sentences with suitable phrases from the text. First one. After swimming for an hour every day, I would have a glass of mango juice, which was like a dash for me. Here the answer will be big treat. And the meaning of big treat is like delightful surprise. Second one. The captain decided that he would track at night. The decision became the dash of a new adventure. An answer here will be starting point. And the meaning of starting point is position from where something begins. Third one. When I read about a teenager who climbed Mount Everest, it was my dash. I decided to become a mountaineer. Answer will be Eureka moment, and Eureka moment means inspiration. Fourth one. I missed school for a week. When I returned the following week, catching up with work, dash. Answer is consumed my time. Means took lot of time. Fifth one. Gandhiji never allowed himself to give in to defeat, simply because he was dash in every struggle. Answer is innumerable opportunities. It means many opportunities. By this, we have finished all the exercises of this chapter. Please do them in your book. Thank you and take care.